Good day, everyone. I'm here with you to present a narrative review entitled Artificial Intelligence Based Pedagogy and Academic Performance in Elementary Education. I am Joshua Imramis. I am your presenter today. As the overview of the study, AI application in education. It is an AI system perform tasks like adapting instruction, analyzing behavior, and supporting decision making in education. It also personalized learning benefits. AI personalized learning by addressing individual needs, pacing, and engagement, especially in elementary education. Teacher supports through AI. AI assists teachers by automating grading, diagnosing gaps, and generating insights for improved instruction. Pedagogical transformation. AI integration involves aligning technology with pedagogy, curriculum goals, and classroom realities for effective use. As the introduction, artificial intelligence has increasingly influenced educational practices through adaptive learning systems, intelligent tutoring systems, automated feedback, and learning analytics. In elementary education, AI-based pedagogy is viewed as a promising approach to address diverse learning needs, enhance engagement, and improve academic performance. Theoretically, perspective such as constructivist learning theory and a zone of proximal development, the technology acceptance model, and Bloom's taxonomy provide a strong foundation for understanding how AI supports teaching and learning process. For them nationally for conducting a narrative review. Interdisciplinary nature. AI in education spans diverse fields like psychology, computer science, and policy, requiring broad synthesis. Methodological diversity. Research includes experimental, qualitative, and survey designs, demanding flexible review approaches. For contextual insight, narrative reviews adapt captured contextual factors like teachers' readiness and infrastructure affecting outcomes. And for guiding future researchers, the review informs future studies and supports educators and policymakers in AI integration. So it is also focused on elementary and grade 6 education. The foundation skills development discussed that elementary education builds essential literacy, numeracy, and problem-solving skills critical for academic success. Grade 6 transition is important. Grade 6 is pivotal as the final elementary year and prepares learners for secondary education demands. AI-supported individualized learning. AI tools provide personalized learning, immediate feedback, and adaptive support to address learner needs. And to equity and efficiency in education. AI-based pedagogy supplements teaching, especially in large classes, promoting equitable and effective learning. The scope of international and Philippine literature. International literature insights highlights advanced AI tools and effective instructional models in well-resourced education system. The Philippine context studies reveals challenges and adaptation of AI in schools with limited resources and diverse learners needed. Integrative review focus, combining both literatures provide nuance, understanding, and highlights context-specific research gap in AI pedagogy. Contribution of the narrative review to educational research. Synthesis of AI pedagogy literature. The review integrates theoretical and empirical studies to explain AI impact on teaching and learning and elementary education. Contextual factors influence AI, teachers' readiness, and context institutional support play crucial roles in the effectiveness of AI-based intervention, bridging policy and practice. The review links policy goals with classroom realities and highlighting challenges and evidence in the Philippine educational context. Frameworks for evaluation. It is also provide a foundation for using evaluation models like CIPP to guide future AI-based educational research and practice. The theoretical and conceptual foundation has three components. First, the constructivist learning theory and EI, zone of proximal development and adaptive support. And last, Bloom's taxonomy and cognitive skills development. As to constructivist learning theory and AI, learners actively build knowledge through interaction, exploration, and reflection, not passive perception. AI-powered adaptive system creates adaptive AI customized content difficulty based on learners' response to promote incremental understanding. Intelligent tutoring system. AI tutors guide learners through problem solving, reflection, and correct misconception in real time. As to teachers, teachers' facilitative role. Teachers use AI insight to design activities, provide feedback, and encourage collaboration among students. Next is zone in proximal development and adaptive support. ZPD defines tasks learners can achieve with guidance but not independently, emphasizing learning potential. AI tutoring system analyze learners' progress and provide timely hints to keep learning optimal. Adaptive AI support helps grade 6 students build confidence while handling more complex tasks. And AI supplement teachers by offering personalized support, enabling more effective classroom management. Bloom's taxonomy and cognitive skills development says framework for cognitive levels, AI supported learning spectrum, data driven instructional support, and balanced cognitive development. The empirical evidence on AI based pedagogy. First, international evidence on academic performance, effects on student engagement and motivation, teacher support, instructional decision making, and last, comparative insight from global and local evidence. International evidence on academic performance. Research shows an AI-based teaching improves elementary students' academic performance, especially in math and science. AI-assisted instruction boosts test scores, problem-solving skills, and conceptual understanding among learners. Benefits of AI learning are often greater for low-performing students, helping to close achievement gaps. And effective AI integration depends on the teacher's facilitation and thoughtful classroom implementation. Effects on student engagement and motivation. First, adaptive learning system, interactive features, increased confidence and persistence, and feature roles in AI learning. Teacher support and instructional decision making, data-driven insight, automated assessment tools, effective instructional use, and professional development importance. The Philippine Studies on AI-based pedagogy, benefits on AI in education, positive student attitude, challenges implementation, and teachers' readiness and support. The comparative insight from global and local evidence. Common positive outcomes. Both international and Philippine studies report positive learning outcomes linked to AI-based pedagogy. Infrastructure implementation. International studies benefit from stronger infrastructure and more sustained AI implementation compared to local studies. Local context emphasis. Philippine research focuses on feasibility, teachers' perceptions, and short-term outcomes in AI pedagogy. Context-sensitive research. Integrating global and local insight is vital for designing rigorous and relevant AI pedagogy evaluation studies. The challenges, gap, and implication of future research. Implementation challenges elementary school, technical barriers. Unreliable internet and limited devices access disrupt AI-based teaching in elementary school, especially in rural areas. Infrastructure limitation, large class size, and lack of ICT infrastructure hinder effective technology integration in public schools. Teachers training needs. Teachers requires adequate training and support to balance technology use with curriculum demands. Coordinated solution. Effective implementation needs school and system level collaboration and infrastructure investment. Ethical and equity consideration. Ethical consideration are central to the responsible use of AI, data privacy and transparency, algorithmic fairness and bias, equity and access, ethical guidelines and policies. Identify the research gap in the literature. Lack of outcome-based studies. Focus on perception and short-term pilots. Need for contextual linkage and call for rigorous school-based research. The literature reveals several research gaps that warrant further investigation. In the Philippine context, there are there is a lack of systematic outcome-based studies and examining AI-based pedagogy using comprehensive evaluation framework. Many existing studies focus on perception or short-term pilots rather than sustained implementation and learning outcomes. Few studies explicitly link contextual factors, instructional process, and academic performance. Addressing these gaps require rigorous school-based research design that capture the complexity of real-world educational settings. The implication of research and policy. For researchers and policymakers, the review underscored the needs for evidence-based and context-sensitive approaches of AI integration. Comprehensive evaluation models, such as the CIPP framework, offer valuable tools for assessing educational innovation holistically. Policymakers should support research that examines not only effectiveness but also implementation condition and sustainability. By grounding decisions in rigorous research, education systems can harness AI responsibly to improve learning outcome and elementary education. As to conclusion, AI-based pedagogy shows strong potential to improve learning in elementary education, but its effectiveness depends on the context-sensitive, well-evaluated implementation. Thank you very much for listening. I am Joshua M. Aramis. I am the presenter of this study. Thank you and God bless.